Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So I know I haven't uploaded in the past 2 weeks, and I swear I have a good reason. I have just been so incredibly busy, and there are a lot of updates I'm excited to share with you guys. So if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna start with some of the smaller updates and kind of what's been going on, some changes in my life, things like that, and then we will be building up to some really exciting news that I am very excited to share with you guys. So first off, 2 weeks ago, Darren and I went to Vegas. I had planned to vlog, so I started vlogging in the airport. I think I vlogged a little bit when we got there. And then, you know, I was just trying to enjoy my time with people. I will look through what I do have, and if there's anything interesting, I will insert it here. We are at the airport and heading to Las Vegas. Got our luggage and now we are waiting by the door for a ride to pick us up. We are getting picked up in a limo today. Let's get this party fucking started. And then we did do a bit of shopping while I was there. So I got 2 items that I want to show you guys. If you guys saw my designer haul, which did included more than just designer, but it had the items that I had gotten when I was in Miami, and the belts were the things that didn't come in. So finally the belts did come in, and they were the wrong size. So we took them to the Gucci store when we were in Las Vegas, and I got the right size belt for one of them, the shiny gold, because I got basically the same belt. One had the shiny gold finish and the other one was like matte. So unfortunately they didn't have the matte finish, but they did have my size for the shiny gold one. So I just returned the matte one. And then here is the shiny gold one. Isn't she a beauty? So my body shape is like very square, which typically I'm not a fan of. However, it really comes in handy with belts because there's not much size difference from like my waist to my hips. So I was able to get a size 85 and it fits both my waist and my hips because there's only like a 2 or like 3 hole difference. So, you know, actually the fact that I don't have an hourglass shape is turning out to be a money saver because I didn't have to buy 2 sizes. While I was there, I also got a beautiful dress. I will show you guys. It's like a casual dress. Why can I not figure out how this works? Oh, there's snaps too. Wow, this is like really intricate. Okay. I'm just gonna go like this so I can show you guys. So it's, so it has a collar, long sleeve, and then it has like a slight like G pattern. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. And then it's like a midi, or not midi, it's like a mini dress. And then this is kind of sheer because it's like lace, so there's like an underlayer. It kind of looks like a nightgown on camera. I swear in person, it's like super cute and it like fits really nicely and it's like super flattering, but I understand that this just really is not doing it justice right now. Okay, we're gonna have to take my word for it. And then whenever I wear it, I will show you guys. And then also in that the designer haul from Miami, I also showed you guys the Gucci purse. So I'm pretty much like a Michael Kors gal through and through. So that was my first ever designer purse. And I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm building a collection, but I got a second one. So my first one, the Gucci one, her name, I've named her, I name everything. Her name is Francesca. And then I got Francesca a friend. So Francesca's friend is Aria Marie. One of my new friends while we were in Vegas, she helped me name her. So here, I'll try to unbox it where you guys can see it. So we've got this little, it's in a dust bag. So I don't think I'm gonna be starting a designer purse collection. I'm kind of the type of person where I will use the same purse every single day unless it like extremely doesn't match or is like way too big or way too small for some reason. But typically I'm not really the type to be changing purses on a regular basis. So now I have a nice black purse. I have now a nice like nude purse. So I think I might get like a nice like brown one, like leather, and then I probably will be done because I don't change purses often enough. So this one, it has this like nice long strap and here's what the buckle looks like. And the little detail on the sides. And then of course it's just a standard strap as you would imagine for any purse. It does have on both sides, adjustment on both sides though, which is kind of nice. But what sold me on this, because they had so many, and in general this is kind of the size and shape that I'm into, but here is what sold me. Are you ready? What? And then you pop her open. How exciting is that? Ha! It's like a trap door. Isn't that so exciting? And then, I mean, the inside, it's a purse. It's everything you would imagine for a purse. So, yeah, this is Aria Marie. Big fan of her. I haven't used her just yet. I still don't really know where one would wear a designer purse to. I mean, I'm not gonna wear this to work and like to go meet with customers like that. I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but I really, really like her and I will find somewhere to wear her. Okay, so that's it for kind of like more designer things. And then I was shopping on Nordstrom Rack and I found this cute dress. It's like a jumper dress. Look how cute that is. And it's like corduroy, like black corduroy, so it's like soft and fuzzy, and then it had, what? Oh no, okay, no, it does have pockets. I thought the pockets came from above and I thought they were false pockets, but the pockets come from the side. So we're okay, they're not false pockets, we're happy. Brand is, so the brand is Tinsel, and I haven't tried her on yet, but I got a medium. And it's also like a mini dress, so it goes to like my mid-thigh, but I'm really excited about her. And then other items that I have bought. So I wore these in Vegas, so don't worry, I didn't buy them kind of worn out looking. I also got these from Nordstrom Rack. They are Steve Madden. Look how cute that is. And it's not too tall, so I actually wore them like all evening and had no issue whatsoever. And I kind of like that the heel is clear. The heel's clear and has like a metal pin in it. And then also on the same height situation, also from Nordstrom Rack, these are Betsy Johnson. So they kind of have like a mesh toe, and look, the bottom, I think it's like kind of like red bottom, but instead they have teal, which I think is super cute because that's my favorite color. So then for the ankle straps, you have the black one that actually keeps it on your foot, and then a little pearl one, and then these little like rhinestone diamond thingies. I absolutely love Betsy Johnson. My wedding heels were actually Betsy Johnson, so I'm a big fan. So yeah, I got these. And then we are going to Mexico later this month. So in preparation for that, I got some sandals. I realized that I don't have any like regular sandals. So I just got these little Steve Madden ones, again from Nordstrom Rack. Just simple brown. And then I've never owned like regular rainbow flip-flops. I have some of like their sandals, but not like their true flip-flops. So these ones have like the little like braided detail here. So I think those, oh no, I have one more purchase. It's not clothing that I want to show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, then you have already seen, if you look at my stories, I ordered a custom like wax stamp. I took a picture of what it looks like. So this is what our particular wax stamp looks like. How cute is that? Here's the stamp that created it. And I got it on Etsy. So it came with the little like melting spoon and then a few of the little wax beads. So it only needs like 3 to 4 wax beads per stamp. So you just put the little wax beads in here and like heat it over a candle. Then you pour it on the envelope and just sit this there for like 30 to 60 seconds. And I think it's so cute. So I'm really excited about that. And then I want to give you guys an update on my candle making. So yes, it was taking quite a long time the first time around just because I had never done it before. So things are moving a lot faster now and I'm really, really excited about that. I did take a couple clips of me making it. So I will insert those here.
New X on me ride. New X on me ride. I might spin it, 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 New X on me ride.
Here are the candles, and these ones, I tried to fill all the way to the top because I thought that would look better, but it turns out when there's a little more space at the top, that looks best. And then these are the first 2 that I have put the labels on. Look how legit and awesome this looks. Doesn't it look like it came from like an actual business or store? And I added one of the little stickers to the outside of the bag also. And I'm just so proud of it. So as you can see, things are going a lot smoother. I was very happy to get the electric sander and speed that along. And the sander was only like $39, so it was definitely worth it. So I'm gonna show you guys what the candles are looking like now. I have come a very long way. So starting to package them up, and as you can see, our custom labels have come in, but I'm gonna show you guys. So we have 2 in here, but I'll just unwrap one because they're the same. So here's the candle. And then we figured out how to make the top smooth, and we've switched to a wood wick. So the wood wick candle actually like crackles when you burn it. So it's gonna just complete ambiance, complete vibes, and I'm just so excited. And then our little label, I custom made this label online on Avery, and then I had them like shipped to me already like pre-printed and such, so we just had to stick them on here. I'm really proud of them, and I think they've turned out really, really cute. They've definitely evolved from the beginning, and we are doing so much better now, and I'm just so proud of them. I actually feel like these are like gift worthy. Okay, so those are all of just the regular updates. So it is time to share the really, really exciting one. If you guys keep up with my vlogs, then you may remember that we were house hunting. Not only did we find the house we wanted, but we bought it. Oh, even just saying it, I'm so excited. And so that is one of the reasons I've been so incredibly busy and preoccupied getting everything ready on this end, and then spending a lot of time at that house for all of these appointments and things like that. So that's been taking up a lot of time, but that is now done. We get our keys next week. So in like 5 days, we will have the keys and we can start moving in. And we are, oh my gosh, just over the moon. We are so incredibly excited. This is our dream home. It is a forever home, and I'm just, oh. abundantly clear kind of what is going on. These clips were not filmed for the vlog, just kind of for our personal reference. So I know they're not as clear as I would like. I'm so excited to be able to set it up with you guys and show you guys. And that is the big news. We are going to be having a whole series of really fun, different vlogs, and it's gonna get really interesting, really exciting, and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So all in all, those are all of the updates. That is where I've been. That is why I have not been vlogging, but don't worry, this channel is not going anywhere. It is actually going to be ramping up. So I just wanted to let you guys know what has been going on. Thank you for bearing with me. If you haven't already, please don't forget, subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. Really, this channel is going to be getting even more exciting, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Thank you guys again so much, and I will see you in one of the next very exciting videos. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting.